Okay, I've already unboxed the swap from um, the most recent, the June swap that was arranged. I got these things from Alyssa Epley, and I didn't wait until I had my camera to unbox them because I was running around out all day and I just unboxed them when I was in the car. I couldn't wait until I got home. Anyway, let's look at the artist trading cards. There's this lovely little bird and a butterfly and the word soar. And she did a nice coloring on the back of it as well. I really like that. That's very cute. Now there's vellum here in the same sizes. I'm not sure if they were intended just to keep them separated or if they're art supplies for the future, but maybe both. Okay, and this artist trading card has the word forevermore, and it has a nice butterfly on here. It's very three-dimensional, and I think this is probably washi tape with words on it, and the back has some nice colors. Oh, she put 5/20/18 on the back here, and some more vellum. I really like this big butterfly. Now this has a lot of really wonderful texture to it, and it says delight, and there's some cutouts from, I guess, from a book page, and this feels like it's either tissue paper or, yeah, I think it's tissue paper, and probably a stamp for the butterfly. And oh, these are torn little things with words on them, and the words are tiny, so I would have a hard time reading them. And this just looks really nice and scrungy. I don't know, I just really like the colors. Lots of purple, really nice there. And another piece of vellum, and this is adorable. It's a goldfish putting out some little bubbles. Looks like he's swimming straight towards me. And the back is just some lovely muted blues. And this is vellum that I think has been inked on one side. I'm guessing that that's ink. And there's another vellum. And another vellum. Okay, so that's all the artist trading card parts. I'm going to put that in the box. And this is the postcard, which is all stitched around with thread on the edges. And I guess it's hand stitched. I'm not certain. The back is a nice gray. The front says Journey, Turkish towels, there's a key, Western and Central Europe. Oh, and there's the Eiffel Tower. Okay, so that's cool. Putting that in the box. Here's a tag, which is cut from some printed cardstock that has a lot of words on it. Looks like it's come from a dictionary. The back is plain. Now this is adorable. It's a very big tag, with a butterfly, or that could be a dragonfly, and a fairy, and some little flowers, and there's a butterfly, and there's some tree branches, a little mushroom, and a little phrase here, the gold that glittered. It's really nice. If I hold it a certain way, you can see there's a lot of gold in it. I really like this. I'm fairly fond of fairies myself. And on this side, there's dots and flowers, a butterfly. Really, really nice details here. Okay, and this is a little leather cord, or maybe it's not leather, I can't tell. It seems to be fraying at the end, so it's not leather, but it seems like it. Okay, now these I think are just embossed papers or interesting papers. I don't know if they're part of a project or if they're just, they're very wonderful. This seems like it's just black, but it's got so much texture. I don't know how that happened. And this is just going to be really fun to have. I like it. This another embossed paper. It's like on the back it's white, and I think it must have gone through one of those things you crank. I don't have one. I can't remember what it's called. And this really crinkly paper, very nice. It's all very nice papers. I'm also keeping the tissue paper. I got a bunch of it here. Now this little drawstring bag has all the little tiny goodies in it. Let's see here if I can get them out. I'm going to sit this camera down for a second. Let's see. Releasing the little tiny things. There we go. Okay. Now we have the artist trading coins. That's like, this has a nice floral motif, but it also reminds me of the mandalas. And this one's nice and swirly colors. And on this side it says calm the mind, relax the body, which sounds like a good plan. Let's see, this has magenta, I think. That's one of my old favorite colors. It says heart center, and there is a heart, and the words are on the center of it, and there's I think a water lily, and I'm not sure what this is. It's really interesting. It's translucent. She's gonna have to tell me what that is. Okay, now we have, I think this is a 2" by 2" thing, and it's got some upraised, I think maybe she used stencil and paste or something, or did she cut out, oh, she tore one paper and put it on another. I get that. Okay. Now, this is something that has a recipe for artichoke bruschetta. That's so cute. And deep dish pizza. Okay, now these things, there's a couple of them. I think they used to have like a film slide in there or something. And that's really going to be interesting to use. I like that. And I like all this stuff. Let's see. This is an inchy, and it's just got really, this side has numbers, and this side has, I think that's a seashell. It's hard to see the little tiny ones. Okay, this is a decorative piece of paper. And here's another little inchie with a butterfly. Yay for the butterflies. And she also gave me a paper flower. It's nice and soft. You wouldn't think it when you see paper flowers that they would be soft, but it is. And here's another one of those little film frame thingies. It says it has a fine view, so I bet it is. And let's see. Denial is my happy place. That kind of makes sense. If you don't have to think about the bad stuff, you can be in denial and feel great. Okay, life, it happens. These are cute little things. Okay, now this, I could put my own saying on here. All right. And this is a neat tag. I love metal. She didn't even know this about me. And I believe this is a white vellum in here. And it reminds me of the tags they used to put on our gym locker in... I wonder if that's the same product. It's really neat. I like it. It's been many years since I've been to school. Okay, so I got all these little tiny things and a really nice drawstring bag to put them in. So thank you very much, Alyssa Epley. And I hope you enjoy the stuff I sent you as much as I enjoy this. I love getting stuff and swapping. It was great. Thanks so much. And like I like to tell everybody when I do an art video, keep making stuff. I mean it. Okay, bye-bye.